Hello friend, myself Nirmal Lok Ghosh before you in my YouTube channel, that is Nirmal Lok's Dream World. It is my 84th motivational video. Friends, I have come here to give some positive vibration. Friends, you all know that you have every power within yourself. Friends, so boost up yourself. You can do anything and everything. Friends, God has created you to do something special. Friends, in your every cell, you just insert positivity and see the miracle. Friends, you are the God's greatest creation. Friends, you can do anything as you desire. Friends, when you will wake up in the morning, say yourself that I am the best. Yes, I can do this. Yes, I can do everything. And see the miracle. The whole world will give you company. Friends, the great people, the great person who has risen in their life, who has reached to the top level, most of them has come from the grassroots. So friends, don't be afraid if you are from grassroots. Friends, it is an hidden blessing. It is a hidden blessings from the Almighty, friends. So keep up, boost yourself every time, friends. You are the God's greatest creation. You can do anything, everything. You have lots of idea in your head top, in your computer desktop. There is a limited GB, but in your head top there are unlimited GB. So friend, don't be afraid. Don't keep yourself shrinking. Just explore yourself, and you will see that you will reach to the top. Sky will not be your limit. You will go beyond the sky. Friends, boost up yourself. Boost up, boost up, boost up. You can do everything, friends. You can do everything. The darkness of the night cannot resist the rising of sun. Always remember, friend, the darkness of the night cannot hidden the rising of the sun. So don't be afraid seeing the temporary darkness of your life. Friend, you be sure that sun will come out definitely, and the sunlight will be extended everywhere, in every nooks and corners where there was darkness once. So friend, don't be afraid, and be positive. Just throw away the negative thinking. Positive thinking will bring the positivity always, and negative thinking will bring the negativity always. So friend, boost up yourself, and you can do anything and everything. Friend, always tell yourself every now and then, in your awakening time, in your dreaming time, in your sleeping time, you say yourself, yes, I can do anything, I can do everything. I have the capability, I have the possibility, I have the unlimited potentiality which has been given by the Almighty in each and every cell of myself. And this is why God has created me as a human being. Otherwise, God has created me as an other animal. I am not other animal. Other animal cannot think so much largely like human being. Human being's brain is an extraordinary thing. And where the unlimited power, unlimited potentiality is there. So friend, always remain positive. Always say positive words towards your mind. Always feed your mind with positive words, and your subconscious mind also be developed, and you will see that you are doing miracles which you cannot even imagine once, that you can do this, and you will do that things which you would not imagine that you could do. So friend, be positive, remain positive always, and positive vibration will be around you, and the persons who will remain around you will be positive also, seeing your positive attitude. So your team will also be positive. You will be a great leader. You will be a great leader with this positive attitude towards life. Friends, every great person has nothing but the positivity in their mind. There are a lot of examples I am not giving here. That persons with great stairs, they became failed every time in their life, but they never left the positivity. So once they became so much success that the world was astonished. So friends, always become positive, always feed positivity in your mind, and you see the miracle. Friends, every morning is a new birth to you. So friend, tell yourself, yes, I have taken a new birth. I have forgotten my past. I am not thinking about my future. I will focus on my present moment, because present moment is my everything, and in present moment I can do everything. I can convert my life by converting the power of present moment into fruitful thing. So friends, always remember that you can do everything. You can do everything. Every positive power is within yourself. So friend, always say yourself, I am the best. Yes, I can do anything and everything. Yes, I can make this world a positive place to live in. So friend, always try to be positive in your life. Never allow the negative thinking in your life. Be a guard of your mind and say, no, I will not allow any negative thinking in my mind, and see that your mind, which is the main power to propel your life, that mind will not be fed with negative thinking. So you be the guard of your mind, and before coming any negative thinking, say that negative thinking, yes, you go away. I will allow only positive thinking in my mind. So friend, be positive always. You can do anything. You can do everything. Friends. There are a lot of people around you who are saying negativity, who are saying negative things to you, who are talking about negativity. Avoid those people. Avoid negative thinking, negative people, negative situation, friend. We always try to be a positive one. Always mix up with positive people who will give you the positive vibes. So friend, never be afraid to become a positive person, because positivity is the ultimate thing which is given by the God to you. Positivity is the ultimate thing and blessings of the Almighty. So be positive. Positivity is the holy thing. Negativity is a sinful thing. With positivity you can win this world. You can do everything. So friends, be positive always. Never be negative. Always be positive. Always remain positive. Always think positive. Always eat positivity. But positive thinking, always say positive to other people, and always try to make negative people a positive one with your attitude, with your leadership example. So friend, never be negative, be positive always be positive, and you can change this world. So friend, you are the God's hidden treasure. You are the God's hidden treasure, and your friends and family are your hidden treasure. Always remember that you can do anything and everything with the help of those hidden treasure. So friends, don't focus on negative thing, focus on positive thing always, and change this world. Friends, you can do anything, you can do everything. Always remember this, always keep this in your mind, always feed this into your subconscious mind, and see the miracle. You cannot imagine that you can go that level of life with that positive thinking. You cannot imagine. Just think and act, and you will see that you have reached that higher level of life with your positive thinking, with the ladder of positive thinking. So friend, always be positive, always think positive, always feed your mind with positive thinking, and you can do anything, you can do everything. Be positive, give positive vibration to the world. Be positive person. Don't be a negative person. Everybody will follow you. Perhaps at the present moment you are alone, but one day you will see that the whole world is following you, because positive person because the positive person attract the positivity, and the human nature is to become positive. So temporarily negative person also become positive by perceiving your positivity, and they will be attracted towards you, and one day you will see that all the persons of the world, all the inhabitants of the world is following you. So friend, following your positivity. So friend, become positive, and change this world, change the negative environment. Always give the positive vibration around you, and negativity will flew away, negativity will gone away, negativity will never come around you, and you will be a healthy person, not only a successful person, but also a healthy person. Not only by your body, but also in your mind, you will be healthy and you will create lots of things in this world. Your creativity will increase. Will increase. So, friend, be positive always. Be positive always and change this world. Change this world. Be a flower. Become a flower. Give your fragrance to everybody. The remote areas also, with your positive fragrance, you will win the mind, you will heart of everybody of this world. You will change this world. Yes, you can do, friend, you can do. So be positive. Be positive always, friends. Goodbye. Stay healthy, stay well, stay positive. Bye bye, friend. Bye bye.